Ruhonge rwa ugendi ni rumwe rwa iria inyitaga itemi nene hari gukuria utonga wa bururi, kuona bururi ni ukoragwo ukiamukira namba nene ya agendi kuma mabururi matiganite. Minista wa ugendi Najib Balala augite ona thengia wa ugendi gukorwo thararite na gikiro kinene mwaka wa 2020 mwaka wa 2021 ruhonge ruru ni rurandikithirie baita nene kuumana na ugendi hamwe na wongerereku wa ndege iria ikoretwo igiuka bururi-ini kuma mabururi ma nanja. Na mwaka uyu wa 2022 ruhonge ruru rugitanya gukura makiria, kuona riu ona Akenya aingi ni makoretwo mahimbiirio ugendi guku bururi-ini mugaru na miaka ya hau kabere.
Again, park entry fees in terms of seasonality, high season and low season. And very soon you'll see Edwin to announce the figures for July. July will be a high season, then it goes up to February, and February to June will be a low season. And those fees will drastically change from what it is today.
Kuringana na Balala augite gukanjwo gwa thabari cia ndege ni undu ukoretwo ukihutia sekta ino na njira nene, guku akiuria thirikari ikirire kuhurana na certificate cia magendo cia COVID na kuhinyiriria bata wa muingi guthecwo njanjo cia COVID-19.
And the demand of again PCR as well as double testing needs to be emphasized. One thing, even us in Kenya as a tourism destination, we need to speed the issue of vaccination to the country. We cannot say that we are only 11 million people are vaccinated and we are a population of 50 million. That does not give a good image that we are a safe destination.
Mwaka wa 2021 thirikari ni yarekereirie makiria ma ciringi bilioni 1 cia kuriha hathara iria icungagiririo ni nyamu cia githaka kuri andu 71 makuire na wandu 2,796 makigurario na mu mahiu 91,147 makiuragwo o undu umwe na uthukangia wa irio migunda-ini. Kuona mwaka ucio wa 2021 ripoti cia macira 5,865 nicio ciandikithitio. Ningi Balala ni augite ugwimi wa nyamu cia githaka ta njogu ni urathi ukihukagio ona gutuika kaunti-ini ya Nyeri mwena wa Solio oro undu mwena kaunti ya Meru ni gukoretwo na wongerereku wa ugwimi wa huria undu uria urahitanwo naguo.
In Solio, the biggest challenge we have a concentration of high number of rhinos there, and we have challenge with the management, and that is a private sanctuary. That's why we have a challenge there.
Balala ni augite ni mararumanirira na kigina kiria gibatie kurekererio niguo kuhura njeki biacara cia mikawa kuumana na moritu ma COVID-19.
The problem is not us releasing the funds, is that the stakeholders did not have security to secure the funds. And now that department has been moved to Treasury because of the parastatal reforms.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.